get out of the house and get some sort of exercise. It is officially the rainy season here in Costa Rica. And after a whole day of rain, todo día lluvia, huh?
Y todo el día.
Todo día hoy. It was crazy. I mean, we woke up early in the morning to just pouring rain. It's still raining, but this is the best we're gonna get. It's almost 4 o'clock, so. And I've been thinking, I wanna get out and do these little jungle walks again. And these are the times to do it, right after the rain. Enjoy beautiful, beautiful. My favorite time in Costa Rica. Cool, wet. You're always gonna be wet, whether it's sweat or whatever, so might as well just enjoy it. Muy bonito. Got the clouds in the skies, up in the jungle. I wonder what that's from. Old road. Looks like there was something that was running through here at one point, going up here. And this is where I saw the ocelot up here, so I know there's some big cats somewhere. Oh yeah. There's some openings up there. So anyway, I just wanted to come down, take some photos, take some video, enjoy these beautiful, beautiful walks, these beautiful after rain walks. So cool, so refreshing down here in the Osa Peninsula. So green and luscious. I've heard in other parts of Costa Rica, even in the rainy season, it's not this green. So I enjoy this. This is nice. These things are so cool. This whole plant, especially when everything's wet, it just looks so much more vibrant. Man, I love the jungle. What is this? Oh, what's that? Ginger plant. It's another part of the ginger. There's like so many gingers, and that's one of them. I think there's more over here too. So cool. Definitely looks like somebody uses this trail. Look at this. How cool is this thing? Oh, ants. Chewed up. Now I know a lot of people don't like the rainy season. And if you're only coming here on vacation, I suggest that you probably don't come in the rainy season unless you want to move here full time. Then I do suggest you come here at least once and try it out and make sure you know what you're getting yourself into. But the rainy season is nothing to be worried about unless you live on the river or something. It's not really something to worry about. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's not like you get 6 months of torrential downpours every year. Oh. What? Something moved. Nobody's been up here in a while, I'm sure. But yeah, it's nothing to be too worried about. The rainy season. The jungle, yes. The rainy season, no. You got me spooked now. Could be anything up in there. Stay close. Especially you. Check out all this bamboo. So much bamboo in Costa Rica. I definitely want to learn how to build with it. Like build like a little hut or something. Just to have. Oh, it's so vibrant, so colorful here. So Shorty was just telling me that this plant right here, you can see it's got all those sharp tops on it. Her uncle or her grandfather used to take all the empty wet eggs and like poke them on the top, and I was like, I've actually seen that. So weird, because I was walking down the street one day and I saw that plant and had a bunch of white things on the top, and I was like, what the hell is going on? And now it all makes sense. So I guess it's like a, I don't know. It's a Costa Rica thing. They put eggs on the top of those things. So if you ever see one, don't be alarmed. Where's this go? Pokemas. Oh wow. That thing's huge. Nobody's taking any of these. Look at the size of these things. That is Culancho coyote. It's like wild Costa Rican culancho. We gonna take it? You guys are? Alright. We'll come back for it. Stuff goes everywhere, so if you see that, make sure you take it. Take it home. Get the roots. Put it in your garden. Because believe me, there's more. What I love about out here is nobody lives out here. They built this whole area for, like, to make plots. Kaya, no. Come on. She's going down into jungle land. They made all these plots to sell to houses, sell to gringos, and nobody ever bought up here. So all these beautiful spots are just sitting here unattended. Totally quiet up here. Wow, look at this, man. The leaf cutter ants. These are the holes that they live in. They completely just tore this whole area apart. That's insane. There's nothing left. There's like these little leaves, which I'm sure they will come back for after the rain. Wow. That's what happens if you let the leaf cutter ants take over your yard. We are heading up. It may not look like it on video, but this is steep. Let's see what's up there. Oh wow, you can see the beach. Can't really see it too much through the clouds, but it's there. Oh, this is gonna be so dangerous going down. I'm not looking forward to it, but made it to the top. Whew. It's been a while since I did one of these, man. Now, I'm not saying it's not dangerous in the rainy season because, well, it is. It's more dangerous than in the dry season. You know, we have mudslides, trees come down, rivers flood, hurricanes, rip currents, all types of stuff. But it's no reason to be deterred by coming to Costa Rica in the rainy season. Especially if you're gonna move here, you just gotta embrace it. Embrace the love, embrace the rain, embrace the rainy season. Embrace when the floods, when the rivers get flooded over top of your bridge and you can't get home. It's just what happens sometimes. My personal feeling is that it's the most beautiful time in Costa Rica. I've got to put my feet in the water. Ah, that feels so good. All right, people, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for subscribing. Make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. Your boy needs it. Helps your boy out a lot. I love you guys so much. Thanks for all your donations and all your support and all your love. We'll see you guys on the next adventure. Chenzaloon out. Ew.